Very welcome. Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 11th. Here, uh, line number 35 is going on of your drama book, The Tempest. Re-enter boatswain. The boatswain re-enter here in the scene. Boatswain says, "Down with the topmast. Yea, lower, lower. Bring her to try with main course. Bring her. Her means here ship. Boatswain says, bring down the topmast. Mast, student, what is mast? A tall, slim post or tower, usually tapering upward, used to support. A tall, slim post or tower, usually tapering upward, used to support. Here he says mast section of mast fitted to the top of the lower mast. He says, bring down the top mast, quick, lower it, lower it, lower it. Keep the ship's bow close. Keep the ship's bows close to the wind with the topmast. A cry within, a cry within deck. A plague upon this howling. They are louder than the weather or our office. Curse their shouting. He's angry. Boatswain is annoyed. Curse their shouting, which is so loud as to storm my voice as well as the roar of the storm. Re-enter Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo. Yet again, what do you hear? Shall we give over and drown? Have you a mind to sink? Boatswain says, scolds, he is in great angry. You have come again. You have come again. What are you doing here? Shall we give up and drown? Shall we give up and drown? Do you wish to drown? He asks. Sebastian says, a plague over your throat, you bawling, blasphemous, uncharitable dog. Sebastian is in great fury. He says to boatswain, may your tongue be damned, ruin. You a howling, swearing, unkind dog. Boatswain, work you then. Do your work then. Antonio says, hang, you insolent noise maker. We were less afraid to be drowned than thou art. Antonio says, be hanged, you dog. Be hanged, you dog. May you be hanged, you rude noise maker. We are less afraid of being drowned than you are. We are not afraid of being drowned. You are afraid of that. Gonzalo says, I will warrant him for drowning, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell. Gonzalo says, he does not want to be drowned. He wants to die on land. So he says, I assure you that this man won't drown, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell. Nutshell, a hard external covering of a nut, a hard shelled seed. Boatswain says, lay her a hold, set her 2 courses off to sea again, lay her off. Boatswain orders his mariners, keep the ship sailing into the wind, set her foresail and her mainsail to her off to the sea again, keep her away from the shore. Foresail means mast nearest the bow. Re-enter mariners wet. They are wet. Mariners are wet. They enter here. Mariner says, all lost to prayers, all lost. Mariner says, all is lost. Say your prayers, all is lost. Excellent. He went from there. Boatswain says, what must our mouth be cold? What should we die? What should we die? Gonzalo says, the king and prince at prayers. Let assist them, for our case is as theirs. The king and the prince are praying. They are busy in praying. Let us join them, as our condition is as desperate as theirs. As they are hopeless, we are so. Sebastian says, I am out of patience. I have lost all patience. Antonio says, we are merely cheated of our lives by drunkards. The wide-chapped rascal, would thou mightest lie droning the washing of 10 tides. Antonio says, we are going to die because of these drunkards. We are going to die. Because of these drunkards, this wide-mouthed rascal, big-mouthed rascal is responsible for the whole tragedy. I wish you were drowned till 10 tides have washed over your corpse. Gonzalo says he will be hanged yet, though every drop of water swear against it and gape at whites to glut him. Gonzalo says, this man, means boatsman, is destined to die by hanging. It is written in his destiny that he will die by hanging, though every drop in the ocean should swear against it and open its mouth as wide as possible to engulf him, submerge him, crush him. A confused noise within. Mercy on us, we split, farewell my wife and children, farewell brother, we split. A confused noise comes from within. Commotion, there is commotion. Confused noise comes from within. May God have mercy on us. We are going to be broken to pieces. Farewell my wife and children. Farewell brother. We are going to be wrecked. We are going to be destroyed. Exit boatswain. He goes from there, exit. Antonio says, let's all sink with the king. Let us all sink with the king, Alonso. Sebastian says, let us take leave of him. Let us bid farewell to the king. Exeunt Antonio and Sebastian. Gonzalo says, now would I give 1,000 furlongs of sea for an acre of barren ground, long heath, brown furze, anything. The wills above be done, but I would fain die a dry death. Gonzalo says, now I would be prepared to exchange 1,000 furlongs of the sea for just 1 acre of dry barren land. As you know, Gonzalo does not want to die in the sea. Even if it were overgrown with weed, let the will of heaven prevail. But I would gladly die on dry land. Let the will of heaven prevail. To be superior in strength prevail, but I would gladly die on dry land. Exit. The students, by this way, Act 1, Scene 1 is completed. Act 1, Scene 2 will be taught in next video. Thank you so much, student. If you have any problem, please ask me questions. Ask me on WhatsApp group or you may call me. You must feel free to ask the questions or any stanza, any para, any dialogue. If you are unable to understand, please ask me. Thank you so much, student.